Hi everyone. Welcome to the EDPF Property Academy, where we talk all things property. Today we're diving into the 10 most exciting and important trends shaping the South African real estate market in 2025. Whether you're a new investor, a seasoned landlord, or a property developer, understanding these trends is key to positioning yourself for long-term success. Let's get into it. Our first major trend is the ongoing boom in affordable housing. With millions of South Africans unable to access the formal housing market, demand is surging for affordable units, especially in urban and peri-urban areas. The government's push for affordable housing through subsidies like FLISP and programs like Breaking New Ground is accelerating this growth. Investors are responding by targeting areas like Soweto, Mamelodi, and Khayelitsha. These locations offer high rental yields, low vacancies, and social impact. It's not just about profit, it's about purpose and demand-driven sustainability. Second on our list, Purpose-Built Student Accommodation, PBSA. With higher education enrollment increasing and NSFAS funding expanding, students are flooding campuses in Johannesburg, Pretoria, and Cape Town. Private investors are stepping in to fill the gap where universities fall short. This asset class delivers consistent income, low default rates, and high occupancy levels. Think locations like Braamfontein near Wits or Hatfield near University of Pretoria. The key? Focus on safety, proximity, and affordability. Third trend, industrial real estate is thriving. As e-commerce continues to boom, so does demand for warehouses and logistics hubs. Durban, Cape Town, and Midrand are hotbeds of activity. COVID taught us the value of supply chain resilience, and investors are taking notice. Rental growth, long-term leases, and low tenant turnover make this sector a reliable income generator. Best part? Minimal maintenance compared to residential units. Fourth trend, the rise of mixed-use developments. People want to live, work, and play in one place. This is driving demand for developments that combine residential, commercial, and leisure amenities. Developments like Waterfall City and Century City are perfect examples. For investors, mixed-use properties offer diversified income, higher tenant retention, and long-term value. It's about creating convenience-driven communities. Next up, healthcare real estate. With South Africa's aging population and growing demand for private healthcare, properties that serve this need are on the rise. Medical suites, retirement homes, and rehabilitation centers are seeing strong investor interest. These properties attract long-term leases with stable tenants like healthcare providers. It's a defensive play that combines community value with predictable income. Trend number 6, sustainability is no longer optional. Investors are prioritizing green buildings, not just for environmental reasons but because tenants demand them. Green star-rated developments reduce utility costs, attract corporate tenants, and enjoy tax incentives. Plus, they future-proof your portfolio against rising energy costs. Seventh trend, the office sector is evolving. Traditional corporate spaces are giving way to flexible, hybrid models. Think co-working spaces and satellite offices. Office-to-residential conversions are another opportunity, especially in underutilized CBDs. This is a niche play, but one with excellent potential for developers who understand zoning and urban demand. Number 8, short-term rentals are bouncing back, especially in tourism-friendly zones. Coastal areas like Plettenberg Bay, Knysna, and Cape Town are seeing Airbnb booking surge. But be careful. Municipal bylaws are changing, so investors must stay compliant. The key is professional management and optimizing for high seasonality. Ninth trend, distressed properties. Rising interest rates and economic pressure have led to more repossessions. Auctions and sheriff sales are now prime hunting grounds for savvy investors. Fix and flip or buy, renovate, rent, refinance, and repeat strategies work well here. Due diligence is essential, but margins can be very attractive. And finally, trend 10, real estate crowdfunding. This model is democratizing access to property. Now, everyday investors can get into developments or rental deals with as little as a 10,000 rand through platforms like EDPF crowdfunding. It's ideal for people who want property exposure without the headache of direct ownership. Diversify across asset classes and participate in large-scale deals with minimal risk. There you have it. 10 powerful trends shaping the future of South African real estate. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and make smart property decisions, these insights are your roadmap. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Need help building your own property strategy? Reach out for education, coaching, mentorship, or our free resources at www.edpf.co.za.